Meaning of fetal alcohol syndrome.
Fetal alcohol syndrome.
Fetal alcohol syndrome.
Fetal alcohol syndrome.
Fetal alcohol syndrome. Fetal alcohol syndrome, FAS, is a serious medical condition that occurs when a mother drinks alcohol during pregnancy. The alcohol can pass through the placenta and damage the developing fetus's brain and other organs, resulting in lifelong physical, mental, and behavioral problems. Infants with FAS may have distinct facial features, such as small eye openings, flattened cheekbones, and a thin upper lip. They may also experience growth deficiencies, intellectual disabilities, and behavioral challenges throughout their lives. FAS is entirely preventable if mothers avoid drinking alcohol during pregnancy.